Hello world, this is Kadarius Franklin of the Pensacola Lightning. Play small forward and power forward. From Pensacola, expect to see everybody out when the season starts November 4th supporting us.
My name is Eric, point guard, shooting guard, Pensacola Lightning. Coming out today at Barnes & Nobles, giving back to the community. Hoping y'all come out and support us November the 4th.
My name is Darnell Sanders from the Pensacola Lightning. I play point guard and shooting guard, also small forward. We back here at Barnes & Noble, giving back to the community. Hope y'all come support us. Show us your love November the 4th.